Now, in what many people have described as a decree that is straight out of Taliban's playbook, there are reports that have emerged that schoolgirls in Afghanistan who are above the age of 12 will no longer be allowed to sing in public ceremonies that are attended by men. Now, this was, of course, a social media post that was put out by an Afghan network, and that's now been subsequently reported extensively in pretty much all media portals in Afghanistan. The order has been issued by Afghanistan's Ministry of Education, which goes on to state that singing teams of girls under the age of 12 should be trained only by women trainers at schools. Men are not allowed to train them as per instructions. Reports further state that the school principals have been warned that they would be punished if they were to violate this order. Now, according to the Education Ministry, there is, however, an exception that has been made. Girls above the age of 12 may sing at events which have 100% women in attendance. Now, defending the move, the ministry's spokesperson Najiba Aryan has said that many families had in fact complained of high school and middle school students of being overburdened with studies. Now, but what has prompted this bizarre order is still not clear, because the ministry claims that it is because the students are overburdened with studies, but some say that this is the ideas of Taliban that are now slowly creeping back in the administration. The ban, which would apply to all government and private schools, has fueled outrage. There are critics who have described the move as imposing limitations on the civil liberties that are enjoyed by women and girls in Afghanistan. Many have said that this is a clear-cut adoption of Taliban's policies, and Afghanistan's Ministry of Education had earlier announced to shift primary students, both boys and girls, to mosques-led schools. Now, the announcement was later cancelled after there were vast reactions against the ministry over such an order. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.